Did you know that banana is a berry, and not a fruit? As strange as it may seem, bananas are botanically classified as berries. The portion of the plant that develops into the fruit determines the category of the fruit. Bananas grow from a single ovary blossom, with a soft and delicious core, and contain one or more seeds. This means they meet the standards for botanical berries. Bananas are sterile. They cannot be grown from seeds. Bananas are grown by snipping a bit from another plant and cloning it. That means the banana you eat today is genetically identical to the banana your grandfather ate. Bananas are the only known berry that aid in the production of serotonin in the human body. Serotonin is a naturally occurring neurotransmitter that communicates between neurons in the brain. Doctors frequently recommend bananas in their patients' meals when the body does not produce enough serotonin. This hormone is a natural chemical that helps with depression and other mood disorders. Bananas have no fats, are low in calories, and contain no sodium or cholesterol. Bananas contain naturally occurring radioactivity. This phenomenon is due to the fruits containing potassium and potassium decay. Potassium is a mineral that is required for the human body to function properly. Radiation exposure can only be fatal if you consume 10 million bananas at once. Did you discover anything new today? Leave them in the comments section below.